Are you a speech-language pathologist and tired from traveling all over the place to serve your students? What if you could work from the comfort of your home office in slippers? Think of all the money and time you would save by not having to commute anymore. Do you wish you had a better balance between work and life? What if there is a way to do your job and still have time for what brings you joy? Worry no more. TinyEYE provides online therapy services to students around the globe. We offer a convenient and flexible working environment from the comfort of your home. At TinyEYE, we want you to find the balance both professionally and personally. TinyEYE helps you create a schedule that works best for you and your family. At TinyEYE, we offer technical support, professional development, collaboration, mentorship, and thrive on a culture that cares. We are the original teletherapy company, having been around for more than 13 years. Owned by a brother and sister duo, and TinyEYE wants our therapists to feel like they are family. So what are you waiting for? Visit our website now and get ready to grow smiles, mend spirits, and engage children in their lives. www.tinyeye.com